I'll be dealing with the topic osseoperception in dental implants. In recent times, dental implant therapy has become a popular method for replacing one or more teeth. The importance of nerve fibers accompanying the bone vessels was only recognized a few years before. What is osseoperception? It is a feeling of heightened perception of dental implant in the oral environment. In simpler terms, the implant placed in the bone allows a person to perceive pressure, load, position and balance through a process called osseoperception. To control oral motor behavior such as biting, chewing, speech, the brain relies on information from sense organs in the orofacial structures. The natural teeth depends on the periodontium. In the context of implant, there are various receptors, namely joint mechanoreceptors and muscle mechanoreceptors. The joint mechanoreceptors are present in TMJ. It is more concerned with signaling and protective reflexes. In muscle mechanoreceptors, muscle spindles play an important role. There are various theories which are put forward for osseoperception, namely given by Linden and Scott, Wiener and Van Steenberg. Among these, Wiener's theory is the considered most important. According to Wiener's, the nerve fibers near the implant region contains nerve fibers that may regenerate over a period of time. This theory carries good support as far as the intensity of neural input is concerned. Coming to the main part, how can we promote osseoperception? Osseoperception of dental implants involves many adaptive changes from peripheral sensory nerve mechanoreceptors to the central nervous system. The sensory nerve regeneration plays an important role. Peripheral nerve regeneration involves axons, Ruffini nerve endings and other receptors. Implantation of Schwann cells, neural stem cells and mesenchymal stem cells can contribute to nerve regeneration around the implant. Guided tissue regeneration can be used to reconstruct the periodontal tissue. Mesenchymal stem cells can be induced to become Schwann cells or their precursor cells, which can promote nerve regeneration. Schwann cells are able to produce many neurotrophic factors and receptors including NGF, CNTF, which promotes axonal outgrowth after nerve injury. These findings strongly suggest that the Schwann cells act as potent agents to improve nerve regeneration in the peri-implant region. Coming to the periodontal integrated implants. An implant supported in the socket through the periodontal ligament. The discovery of stem cells and the biomaterials gave many possibilities for periodontal regeneration. A tissue engineering approach is required to utilize this process, which involves isolation of such cells and the subsequent proliferation within a three-dimensional framework. The question to what extent dental implants are integrated in the existing stomatognathic circuit is still unanswered. More studies should be conducted in an attempt to locate specific groups of tactile receptors to transmit information to the central nervous system in subject with the implant supported prosthesis. Furthermore, records should be made to promote greater interaction with other areas of medicine to investigate neurologically sensory nerve impulses originating from the oral osseointegrated implants. Thank you.